Hello, Learning Machines. I hope you guys are doing great today. It is the end of the month of July here, the year 2021. It's the middle of the day, and it is July 30th. 30 days into the month. This is Maxbounty. Let me refresh real quick. Boom. As you guys can see, everything's still the same. And this month is you actually get Maxbounty money, okay? So it's called like Max Money or Maxbounty money. But anyway, I got $10,000 just because of how much I made this month, and that's 8% of what I made so far this month, okay? There's another day into the month tomorrow because there's 31 days, but I figured I'd just show my earnings for Maxbounty and everything, and I'm only doing this to inspire everyone because I came from nothing, bro. Like, I never thought it was possible to make money online. I literally felt like giving up in life for multiple different reasons. I felt like suicide and all this stuff because just multiple reasons. But at the end of the day, what kept me going, I've said this a few times, is the desire to make money online. It is the best thing in the world. There's nothing better than it. And I can tell you right now, once you make your first dollar, you're hooked, and it's a good thing. It's a good addiction to be an entrepreneur, okay? And I hope this inspires you. Let me show you another platform real quick. This is Crackrevenue right here. It's an adult network, and it's freaking awesome. They got tons of freaking offers here. That is $91,000 here in this month so far, and that's with paid ads. And I would say 10% of that, actually, no, 20% of that, I would say, based off how much I spent this month, which is around like $20,000 in ads, to make $91,000 back, okay, with adult marketing. All the Maxbounty money and all of the Maxbounty money here, all of that is from free traffic, man. Okay, that's just free traffic from a massive YouTube channel I have, and not to mention I make around $50,000 a month just from the AdSense revenue on that channel, by the way, but that's just extra money, and it's freaking amazing. And I literally wake up every day and I'm so grateful in it. And I hope it inspires you guys because it's freaking insane. But that channel has been a blessing in my life, but it was one of the hardest things to ever grow in my life. Building my personal brand is not easy because the niche is very, very small. But I love networking with you guys and sharing you guys and inspiring with you guys. So the other platform here is called City Ads. I made $63,000 right here, as you can see, this month. And how I did that is I've been promoting this offer called Cunt Empire. I know it's weird, but it's an adult gaming offer, and this is like one of the only platforms that has that offer. And I've been just doing paid ads, and I actually spent like $30,000. So it's 2x ROI, but the offer is really, really good. I don't want to go too in depth on what I'm doing, but maybe you could find my ad out there using the Adplexity spy tool I give access to. Link is down below in the description. You can probably find a few of my campaigns if you look hard enough. But then again, who knows if it's really me because you can't really tell. There's so many freaking campaigns out there. To inspire you right there, that's a 2x ROI just doing one offer on one network. I'm telling you guys, you can make a huge income. Obviously, that requires having a budget of $30,000 to put into ads. But at the end of the day, that's really good. You know, that's more money. And it's not been hard for me to do it all. I have other, by the way, guys, just to kind of explain, I have some other income streams I don't want to share, okay? And they're very big, and I just don't want people to see how much money I really make because it's quite a lot, and I want to kind of lowball it in a way. But I'm sharing with you guys very inspiring stuff still. So hopefully this is good enough for everyone here. I just really want to, once again, inspire you guys, encourage you guys to go after your dreams because I was a nobody. I tried forever to make this work, and now I'm just literally trying to be as simple as possible, just stay in my lane and just focus on what I need to focus on. Lately in life, I'm focusing on more freedom type stuff and definitely being less stressed out. And especially, I am looking for a girlfriend, so if a girl's watching this, I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's something to mention. But let's keep going here. This is a Cell Health platform right here. And so on July 10th, they pay out every 10th of every month, okay? So I'm actually promoting in the men's health niche. You could look at the offers there, but there's only two offers I've been promoting, and that is the Seminax offer, and then you can guess the other offer, okay? But it's like the VIG offer. And I've tested a few other ones here and there, but I can't get them as profitable as the other one, so I just scaled the Seminax one. The Seminax one's crazy profitable. Basically, what I put into ads, it's like $20,000-ish. And that's $72,000 right there. That's from the last month's 10th to this month's 10th right there. And then this is for my next payout. Next month is August, and it's going to pay out on the 10th. Right now, like I said, it's the end of the month, the 30th of the month. 11 more days, and then it's going to pay out whatever the total is going to be here. It's probably going to be another 70,000, but I can't be sure. You never know what can happen with your paid campaigns. Sometimes you'll have hiccups. Sometimes the campaign will slowly die down, or sometimes you'll like all of a sudden get a lot of purchases in a day. The thing about marketing is like there is predictable numbers. There's predictable money to be made. The other stuff I'm doing, obviously AdSense revenue. It's funny, the CPM on this channel is very, very high because it's in the marketing niche and make money online. But my CPM for my other channel is around basically $5 to $7 per 1,000 impressions. So you can guess how many views I get per month on that channel based off the fact I make around $50,000 in AdSense on that channel. And I don't want to show that channel at all. People could figure it out what it is. And I don't want to be copied necessarily, but I do teach in depth about the type of content I'm making to do that stuff. And you can promote any offer on Maxbounty, any offer on any platform. You can make tons of conversions when you have tons of volume of traffic. Like a lot of my time goes to focusing on that channel, by the way. So I'm making sometimes a few videos on this channel here. And then, I mean, every single day I'm making like a lot of videos for the other channel. And the video lengths range from, 5 minutes all the way to 10 minutes, which is I think the sweet mark for YouTube videos is actually 8 minutes-ish. Okay. Cause you have mid-roll ads and everything on them. But anyway, it's not the key to basically make longer videos. The key is to have no fluff and stuff like this. That's one income right there. I'm not going to show here because I have to blur out a bunch of stuff. The other stuff I'm doing, which I'm not going to say numbers of how much I'm making doing it, but it's basically I'm building my own funnels on ClickFunnels, and I'm collecting payments through Stripe, and I have upsells and all these things in place. I mean, back-end products in place and things like this. And I'll tell you this, I am running YouTube ads in-stream ads, all right? And the secret to how it's all done is very, very powerful stuff. It was from accumulation of a bunch of ideas that added up over time to an amazing strategy that's just working. I'm using PLR products to sell stuff. And it's mind-blowing, the results I'm getting there. And I don't want to share exactly what I'm doing there. Maybe in the future I will maybe launch a course for only $90 or something like that. So it's not like I'm in any way trying to take any money from anyone, okay? It's so funny people out there think that. But at the end, I'm here to help people, and I'm here to network with you guys. If you're new here to this channel, I hope this inspires you. Share this with your friends. Peace out.